Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. This is the Prince of Forex, and in today's video I want to talk about gold. In my last video I said I want to be selling gold. I gave you technical reasons and the right place to sell gold, which I said was here. And now I want to give you a fundamental reason why I want to sell gold. First of all, what is gold? Gold is a safe haven currency. What does that mean? Safe haven currency are currencies that investors will run to when they notice that the major economies are unstable or are uncertain. Should I use the growth in that economy is poor or instability is being found in those economies, then people will invest their money in gold. And gold has been in an upward trend, and investors have been putting their money for a very long time in gold. If you check very well, gold has been trending up for a very long time. Since the beginning of 2024, and it has been heading up. Now the question is United States and other economy, are they stable now? If they are not stable, then they will keep buying gold. But if those economy are now stable and look strong, investors will take their money from gold and put in those economy like United States. So now let's see if United States is stable or not. Now the GDP measures the growth of the economy. Now let's see if United States GDP is doing well. United States GDP has been dropping for the past 3 quarters, and the last quarter, which is the second quarter of 2024, it rose up to 3% from 1.6%, and that shows a sign of growth, which is good. United States is strong when it comes to the growth. Now let's check the inflation, which is the price of goods and services in the economy. The price of goods and services in the economy has been dropping for the past 6 months, and now we are at 2.4, which is telling us that the price of goods is cheap in that economy and people are okay with the price. That is good for business. Unemployment rate, how many people have job in the economy? If the rate of people that have job in the economy is good, that means the economy is strong. And if you check very well, unemployment rate has been dropping to tell you that lesser people don't have job while more people have job. So right now unemployment rate is at 4.1 and it's still dropping, and which is healthy for the economy. I mean, many people have jobs. Now the manufacturing department, what is happening in the manufacturing sector? Are they weak or not? Now you see this measures if the economy is doing well or not. Now manufacturing sector is below 50 points, and if your manufacturing point is below 50, it simply means that you are contracting. That means they are not doing well. So when it comes to the manufacturing factor, United States is not doing well, and that is bad. It's contracting, so it has to be above 50. So now what about the service sector? The service sector is doing well because it is above 50. It is at 55 and it's doing well. To tell you that in the service sectors things are growing. That is sign of growth. The non-farm payroll is the amount of jobs that have been added. Recently 254,000 jobs has been added to the economy, and since July jobs has been increasing, which is healthy for the economy. More people have jobs, and that is good. The economy is strong. The private businesses, more workers has been added into the private businesses in United States. Very huge gap from 103,000 to 143,000 jobs has been added. That is a very huge gap. The economy is boosting, and recently interest rate was cut in the United States. Now companies will go out there, manufacturing companies will go out there and take loans, and business will start booming again. Now will gold go up or not? Looking at United States is strong. United States is no longer weak. Now investors will take their money from gold and put it back in United States because United States is stable now. So this is the fundamental reasons why I believe gold is gonna sell. Now where do we buy? Where do we sell from? we have to sell at the cheapest place ever, and that is here. If price gets there, I'm going to sell, and I'm going to use the best stop loss ever, so that my idea will play along. Now if I start seeing things like bullish momentum around here, crossing this barrier, now trying to go upward, I will close my trade for some losses, and that is the business. Cut your losses short and hold onto your profit for a long time. So that is it for today. This is the Prince of Forex, and I got you. And I'll be holding my trade from here down to this place, and I will not be doing that with one position. I will be doing that with about 3 to 2 positions, whereby I will close some around this level 1:2, close some around there, and some around there. That is how to trade. You cannot just hold your trade for a long time with just one position. It is emotionally damaging, and it might make you lose your profit. So when the trade gets down to this level, I will close one trade. It gets down to the level, I close one trade, and that is it. And my total risk to reward is 1:6, and that is healthy for the business. Stick to my channel, and I'll give you more trading clues and insights on how to trade. This is the Prince of Forex, and I got you.